Hey there! Want to hide some private photos on your Mac but can't find the hidden album anywhere? Or maybe your photos aren't even showing up in the Photos app at all. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every native way to hide and unhide photos on a Mac, step by step. Before we hide anything, let's make sure your photos are actually in the Photos app. You'd be surprised how often this is the reason things seem missing. One easy way is drag and drop. Open the Photos app, then open Finder and locate your photos. Drag them directly into the Photos window, drop them, and boom! They're now part of your library. This works perfectly if your photos are on the desktop, in Downloads, or on an external drive. Another option is importing using the menu bar. Open the Photos app, click File at the top, then select Import. Pick your photos or even an entire folder. Click Review for import, then Import All. This is great when you're bringing in a lot of photos at once. You can also import from an iPhone or a camera. Just connect your iPhone or camera to your Mac, open the Photos app, click your device under Import, and choose Import Selected or Import All. Your photos will automatically appear in your library. Now that your photos are safely in Photos, let's talk about that tricky hidden album. You might notice the hidden album isn't showing in the sidebar. Don't panic. This is super easy to fix. Open the Photos app and look at the sidebar on the left. If you don't see Hidden, go to the top menu, click View, then choose Show Hidden Photo Album, and just like that, the hidden album appears. Even if this album is turned off, your hidden photos still exist. They're just invisible. All right, now for the main event, hiding your photos. Open the Photos app, click a photo, or hold Command to select multiple photos. Right-click, choose Hide Photo, and confirm by clicking Hide. You can also do this from the menu bar by selecting a photo, clicking Image, and then Hide Photo. Once you do this, the photo moves to the hidden album. This is the safest way to hide personal photos, and it keeps them synced with iCloud. Need to bring a hidden photo back? Unhiding is just as easy. Open the Photos app, click Hidden in the sidebar, and authenticate using Touch ID or your Mac password. Then right-click the photo and choose Unhide Photo. The photo automatically returns to its original album. Some people ask, hey, isn't there a keyboard shortcut to hide photos? Not quite. There's no native shortcut. Everything is done using the right-click menu or the menu bar options. Sometimes you may want to hide photos at the system level instead of inside the Photos app. On newer versions of macOS, Apple removed the hidden checkbox from Finder, so this method now uses Terminal. Don't worry. It's safe, built-in, and works reliably. First, drag the photo out of the Photos app and place it in any Finder folder, like Desktop or Documents. Next, open Terminal on your Mac. Type the following command, then add a space at the end. Chow flags hidden now. Drag the photo file directly into the Terminal window and press Enter. The photo instantly disappears from Finder. If you ever need to see hidden files in Finder, press Command, Shift, and Period together. Press the same keys again to hide them. To make the photo visible again, open Terminal and type CH flags no hidden. Then drag the hidden photo into Terminal and press Enter. The photo reappears in Finder. Keep in mind, the photo is not protected by Touch ID. The photo does not sync with iCloud. This is local, system-level hiding only. This method is best for advanced users who want simple local privacy outside the Photos app. For most people, the Photos app's hidden album is still the safest and easiest option. This terminal method is best if you want the file completely outside Photos. For maximum privacy on a shared Mac, there's one more option. You can keep sensitive photos in a completely separate user account. Open System Settings, go to Users and Groups, and add a new user. Keep your private photos inside this new account. Each user gets a separate Photos library, which makes this ideal for shared or family Macs. And one more thing to know. Apple automatically protects hidden photos. The hidden album requires Touch ID or your Mac login password, and there's no extra setup needed. This works automatically as soon as photos are hidden. So that's it. Now you know all the native ways to hide and unhide photos on a Mac. How to make the hidden album appear, how to add photos if they're missing, and how to keep them extra private using Finder or a separate user account. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Mac tutorial you want next.